Alright, hello. Here are the worker packets for this lesson. It's pouring plurals. Okay, helper packet number 1 has a word bank with the pictures, with the words I'm going to be using in this lesson. They have it in Spanish and the picture. Helper packet 1 also has a flow map or flow chart. You can follow along. You may not work ahead, just help you follow along. Helper packet number 2 has a model that you can leave on your desk to help you. Has a pre-drawn element. You can paint on this instead of a large piece of paper. And again, a flow map to help you follow along, not to work ahead. Helper packet number 3 has a challenge for connecting regular plurals to their singular version. This is essentially just an alternative to the early finisher worksheet. If you want to do this packet instead, this challenger packet, here's the answers to check yourself. It's got a math extension and a visual art extension. So you just try to, this side, you try to copy it here. This one goes here. Try to copy this one here, and then you try to copy this ball in here. So to help you with your shading. So those are the helper packets. If you want one of them at any time in the lesson, raise your hand. I'll ask you to come to my desk. You let me know which one you want, 1, 2, or 3, and I will hand it to you. All right, let's get started.